Welcome back to our series on moving from America to Spain with SDC International Shipping. One of the questions we hear often from future expats is simple. How do I meet people once I move to Spain? The truth is that building a social circle doesn't happen by accident. Many Americans assume friendships will naturally develop once they arrive. Sometimes they do, but the people who settle in most successfully usually take a proactive approach. Join local Facebook groups before you even arrive. Attend language exchanges. Take classes. Join a gym, a sports club, or a volunteer organization. The goal isn't to make lifelong friends immediately. The goal is simply to start showing up. Relationships are built through consistency. The more often you participate in a local community, the more familiar faces you'll see, and eventually, those acquaintances become friendships. Many Americans tell us that joining a language class or local activity was the moment Spain started feeling like home. At SDC International Shipping, we know that moving isn't just about transporting belongings. It's about helping people create successful transitions into a new country and a new life. We handle the logistics, so you can focus on the experience that matters most. If you're planning a move from America to Spain, visit our website. You'll find us at movertospain.com, or you can give us a call at 844-651-7050 and speak with one of our relocation specialists. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time.